All right, here we're in the bathroom. We'll give you a rundown of how the bathroom works. On this side, as you walk in, is the walk-in shower. There is a latch here that while traveling, you'll want to make sure is always down so that the glass does not slide back and forth and break. When you're ready, you can actually just lift that up. You just close the shower for your privacy, and then you can take your shower. Inside of the shower, we have a flex hose for simplicity and ease of using the shower. There is one thing that when you are camping, if you're not hooked up to full hookups and water, you want to conserve as much water as possible. So when you're running the water, you actually have a shutoff valve on the back here that turns the water off as you're lathering up and washing your body. Then you can turn the water back on simply by moving that switch, rinse off, and then you can turn your waters off there. Here is a toilet. This is different than standard RV toilets. It is not a gravity fed, it's actually a vacuum flush, which means it's very similar to the same toilets that you use when you go on an airplane. So to use it, you have a button that's over here that says toilets. You'll want to make sure that that is on and that this light is green. When it's green, you're able to flush the toilet and have proper pressure to use the toilet. To use the toilet, it's very simple. There is a lever on the left-hand side of the toilet. You'll simply take your foot and you'll push it down and it will suck everything down. And then to release it, just let your foot slide off and have it snap back and shut. As it shuts like that, as long as there's no toilet paper that is still stuck in there or anything, this light is red, meaning that it's building pressure again for the next flush. We ask that you don't reflush the toilet until this light turns green, which usually takes anywhere from 5 to 10 seconds.
Where's the water pump in here?
The water pump in here is over on this control panel as well as the fan and lights. And we'll show you how to turn that fan on in just a second. So as you can see, it's just about ready to turn green here. Once it turns green again, that means it's built sufficient pressure so you can flush the toilet again. Once it's green like that, you're able to flush. You can leave this switch on all the time if you would like. You don't have to shut it off. It will build the pressure and keep it there. We have toilet paper right there. Please only use the RV rated toilet paper. We have a roll in here. We have extra that's in here if you need it, but only use RV. It dissolves faster. It's better for the system. You can't use regular toilet paper. The fan, if you need to use the fan because you're taking a shower and it's hot or you want to ventilate the place, there's a fan switch that you'll turn on. Then you'll reach up here, turn and open up the vent. And then you can pick your speed of 1, 2, or 3. And it will act as a fan. Now, to close it and shut it off, you can just hit the switch and then make sure you close the vent. Do not travel with vents open as high winds will rip them off the top. So make sure they're always closed. There are supplies in here that you can use. There's cleaning supplies. If you feel like the toilet has a funny smell, you'll want to take some of this and actually pour in the toilet, put about maybe 3 or 4 tablespoons in and flush it down, and that will help with any smells if you feel like there's a smell. There's cleaning supplies that are in there. Up here is medicine cabinet. We have some basic stuff in there. You guys are more than welcome to use it if you need it. And another one over here, small first aid kit, and some various supplies that you can use if you need.